Enterprise Management 360.
Thank you both so much for joining me today. I want to really talk about what we're here to see here at ISE and what you guys are demonstrating. So if you could give me an overview, first of all, of what you're demonstrating.
Yes. Thank you, Max. Very nice to meet you. And we are showcasing a Microsoft Teams room and a Zoom room solution using Jabra Panacast and our newly developed Speak 750 product. Our designs are optimized here in this case for huddle room utilization, which is a very fast-growing category, a new way of people collaborating today. The unique thing about the Jabra Panacast device is that it synchronizes video in real time from 3 cameras to give you a 180-degree field of view. It puts the pixels on a cylindrical panorama, so you're seeing some curvature in the background, but you'll notice that all the people look correctly sized.
Yes.
Very different than what you'd get from a single camera with an ultra-wide angle lens. You're not seeing that fishbowl effect where people look skinny in the middle and very wide around the perimeters.
Shahab, from a technical standpoint then, as we're looking at this, very impressive with how it's set up, but if you wouldn't mind just walking us through the technical steps to achieve this.
So the camera is a plug-and-play USB device. It would work across all platforms, any operating systems, and you just plug it and play. The camera is available for any video conferencing framework. Here in this case, we are demonstrating it with Microsoft Teams room and a Zoom room environment.
Okay.
So this is the Teams room kit here and the Zoom room kit over there. So first I will demonstrate the Teams room environment. So let me put this in the Teams room mode. Teams room is a special environment where Microsoft keeps it in a kiosk mode, so users only get a specific experience and they don't get access to the internals. So when they come in for a meeting, they don't have to worry about cabling or connecting a camera or a speakerphone. Their meeting is available and it is scheduled and it's a one-click join for that meeting.
Excellent.
And Panacast seamlessly works with the MTR solution or any other video conferencing solution or kit that is out there. So we are booted into the Teams room environment, and as you can see, there is a controller, there is a compute device here, and the display, along with the peripherals, the Jabra Panacast camera and the Jabra Speak 750. So they are interfaced there, and as you can see, I have the choice of joining a meeting. Here, this is a test meeting here. It shows me what time and interfaces with my calendar. Or I can start a new ad hoc meeting and call people in as and when I would like them to join. I could also present local content here by connecting an HDMI with a BYOD device and project content locally, as well as include it for remote consumption. So I'm going to join a scheduled meeting here. And as you can see, I joined that meeting here. I'm the only one here for now. Other people could start joining in or can join in. And you see the camera came up with 180 degrees field of view.
Yeah.
Now the camera has intelligence built into it. It is running an algorithm that will detect people in the video frame, and if so enabled, it will zoom in or zoom out to frame the people optimally in the video frame. And that is happening dynamically during the call. If more people join in, it will zoom out and expose the full field of view. And if people leave, it will zoom in to the people who are present in that room. And this camera, because of its 180 degrees field of view, is able to optically sense the environment all around and not exclude anyone. Also, in this small space, my colleague Aurganzeb is standing right over there, and I'm at the opposite side of the table, and we are all in the view. So this is all inclusive, and the remote participant feels like they are actually there.
When we're using this then, and the conversations that you've been having with organizations, what is the response been? What are the use cases that they're wanting to talk about, and how is this going to impact the enterprise, really?
Yeah, we have some very large deployments with companies like Uber and Indeed around the world. They are using us for huddle room configuration. So this really is a very typical configuration for modern collaboration. It's where real people go to do everyday work. And the meetings are scheduled. It could be a BYOD or a scheduled room. The unique thing about an environment like this is everything is happening near the front wall. This is a very optimal layout for real estate. So in any other layout, you might be able to convert 5 old-style conference rooms into 6 or 7 modern-style conference rooms. The unique challenge with these devices is that if you have any other camera other than Jabra Panacast, you lose the front two seats.
Yeah.
And that's a real loss of real estate and a real loss of usage. Or if somebody's seated there, then it's a loss of inclusiveness. So with our device, you can get everybody into the picture and into the conversation.
Guys, it's great. It's fantastic. So thank you for taking the time to demonstrate to me today. It's been really great talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.